As a crocheter, one of my favorite things to do is to cruise through Pinterest looking for new inspiration or new patterns or new creators to follow. But honestly, sometimes it can be a little bit overwhelming because it's just a nonstop feed of idea after idea after idea. That's why I like videos like these, because they help kind of narrow down and streamline just the flood of endless inspiration that Pinterest can be. So if you need ideas for Galentine's Day gifts, Valentine's Day gifts, or some decor pieces for a party that you might be throwing, or just to spruce up your space, then I've got you covered. I've got 3 separate sections. First section is going to be gifts. Second section is decor, and the third section is like miscellaneous, but there are things that I feel like could fit both gifts or decor. My Pinterest board with all of these ideas and more will be linked down in the description box. I tried really hard to only pin things that linked back to the original creator. That way it's super easy to find a pattern, to find a tutorial, and in some cases you can just outright buy the finished product from the creator. So I've got my Pinterest board and my list right here. So with all that said, let's get started. And we're going to start off with gifts. First gift idea is a cup cozy. This is something that's good for every season. You can really customize these to be any color that you want. You can use fun stitches if you want. You can add handles or you can just leave them blank. I think this is a great go-to gift for almost anybody. Second gift idea is keychains, and really the sky's the limit with these. You can keep it super simple and crochet a little bow or a heart or a star and attach the keychain hardware, or you can make it a little bit more complicated in any amigurumi pattern that you find that's relatively small. You can create and again just attach the keychain hardware. Similarly is hair clips. Just crochet like a little heart or a star and attach it to a hair clip pin. You can also do some amigurumi. I really love like these fruit themed ones. I think these are so cute. The next gift idea is heart-shaped pillows. I love the ones that look like they're the candy hearts. I personally think it would be super fun if you're having a party with all of your friends if you made a bunch of blank ones in different colors and then bought red crochet thread and then had everyone like embroider their own cute little saying on each pillow. I think that'd be a really fun party activity. Next idea is hanging plant pots. I know these ones that go on your car's rearview mirror have been super popular online. Bookmarks, again, the sky's the limit with these. You can really customize them to any way that you want. I'm really partial to the flower stem ones. I think these are so cute, but you can also keep it super simple and just crochet a rectangle in any color or stitch that you want. I love the stacked hearts one, and I love the ones that are just a row of granny squares. Earrings, honestly, these are really similar to the keychains and the hair clips. You can crochet just a simple little stitch or a little pattern or a little tiny amigurumi and just attach your earring hardware to it. Hair accessories like bandanas or these tie headbands. Water bottle holders, you can really customize these with a variety of different stitches. You can choose to add a handle, you could add an outside pocket. Trinket dishes, you can really make in any different shape or pattern. AirPod case, a book sleeve or a cover is a really great gift idea. You can also do a Kindle or an iPad sleeve or cover, or even like a whole laptop sleeve, just depending on what you know your friends' preferences are. Small wall tapestries. I also think this could be a fun party activity similar to the candy hearts. You could crochet just some bases in a variety of different patterns or colors like checkerboard or stripes. You could crochet different applique options like hearts, flowers. You can crochet letters, and you can have everybody attach and customize their own little wall tapestry. I think that'd be another really fun DIY party project. Jewelry holders, I know these wall hanging ones are super popular right now. You can also make some that will sit on a table or a desk like this mushroom. A gift card holder, it'd be really cute to give with a little gift card in it, or you can just say it's a tiny wallet and leave it empty. Cable organizer, these are super easy and quick to crochet. Headphone charms or covers, you can be super simple and just make a little charm, or you can go all out with a fully themed cover. Hair bows, these are literally so easy. You just crochet a chain in whatever length that you want and just tie it like you would a normal bow, and it'd be super cute. You and your friends would all have matching hair bows. And honestly, you could just have a bow party in general. They're super popular right now and they're on all of the trend reports for the year, so I don't think bows are going anywhere anytime soon. If you're looking for another party project, I think it would be super fun if you had all of your friends bring old items that they don't really wear as much anymore, and you can customize them with bows in different colors and textures and refresh old items with a current trend. And this is also a really great way to get rid of some yarn scrap that you may have laying around. The next section is decor. When I was pinning for this section, I kind of had in mind throwing a Galentine's Day party, but obviously if you're looking to add some new crochet decor to your space, these are good for everyday use as well. All right, first decor idea is garland. These are super customizable. You can make them with different shapes. I love the strawberry one. You can do bows. You can make a garland that mimics paper chains. Really just like pick a theme or pick a color that you like and crochet whatever shape comes to mind. Coasters, again for this one, just pick a theme and crochet. You can make these in any colorway. You can add different patterns like gingham or checkerboard. You can do different shapes and different types of granny squares for these, or you can do a mix and match theme. The next 3 ideas are kind of similar. They all revolve around a table setting, and I think if you want to have like a tea party type theme, these would all be a really cute way to implement some crochet into the decor. Okay, first is placemats. I'm personally super obsessed with a tulip stitch right now, so I think these placemats or plate chargers, whatever you want to call them, that have the tulip stitch border are super adorable. Next is table runners. I honestly had a kind of hard time to find some good examples of table runners on Pinterest, but I really feel like you can customize these in so many different types of ways. You could do any color, you could attach a bunch of granny squares together, you can find a really cool textured stitch and just make it with that. Like, these could be really customized to fit any kind of theme or aesthetic that you've got going on. And next for table settings is the silverware holder. I personally really love this pink one with the bow. It's like very coquette. It's very on trend right now. Next is mini fruits. I really love the little mini strawberries. I think a basket of these on your table would be super adorable. Curtains, really similar to the garland as far as like customization. I think the ones that have the flowers and the ivy and a whole bunch of leaves are really cute, but you could do one with stars and moons on it and make it really celestial. You could continue with the Valentine's Day theme and you can do a bunch of hearts. Whatever like theme or aesthetic you're going for your space or for your party, you can really set the tone with a really cute crochet curtain. Wreaths, again, the customability of these is limitless. You can keep it traditional by crocheting a bunch of flowers and attaching them all together. Keep with the Galentine's Day theme and do a bunch of hearts and a bunch of different colors. You can make them super simple or you can make them super whimsical. I really love a crochet wreath. The next two are pretty similar and they also kind of fit into the tea party theme that I've been dreaming of. They're mini cakes and mini cupcakes. I think these are really, really cute. I know the mini cakes are super popular online as like a tissue box cover, so you could do that as decor or a gift, honestly. Or you can just make a whole cake and have it as your table setting. And same with the cupcakes. These would be really cute stacked together on a cake tray as part of your decor. Next is fairy lights. These are really, really cute. Just be a little bit careful with the fire hazard. But basically you just crochet around the cord of a Christmas light, and then when you get to a light, you crochet a flower around it, and it creates some really, really beautiful aesthetic mood lighting. Pillows. You can obviously just make a basic pillow, but I really loved the fun shaped ones like strawberries or a cherry. This candy one is super adorable. Similar to the mini cakes and mini cupcakes, you can also crochet mini pies or mini cookies. I think a little plate of these would be really cute. Same thing with pies, although you can make them larger and make them for seat cushions or pillows as well. Next is chair covers. If you really want to set the aesthetic, you can make a chair cover with any color or a stitch. I really like these granny square patchwork ones. Vase covers, these would be really great for a centerpiece. Baskets, I again really love the tulip stitch, so this tulip stitch one really called out to me. Mini heart balloons, you can crochet a whole bunch for a full bouquet, or you can just create a few and just have them kind of spread out throughout your space. Jar covers, I think these are really beautiful with tea lights. Just be careful if you use them with real candles. Okay, those are all of the decor ideas that I had. Next, we're going to kind of get into miscellaneous things. And these were ideas that I feel like fit both gifts or decor. It just depends on what you were looking for. Okay, first is kind of a wild card. It's a checkers mat in pieces. This is super customizable. You can do it in any colors that you want to, and you can even customize the little shapes. Like I love this butterfly one. It is a little bit random, but honestly, if you pulled this out at a party, I think you would get a really great reaction, because if you think about it, like, when was the last time you played checkers? If you've got more time on your hands or you're a little bit more advanced, you can probably also crochet chess pieces for it. But I also think this would be a really fun and unexpected party activity. Next idea that you could do for a decor or for a gift is tapestry patterns. I know that's a little bit of a general statement. I could honestly probably make a whole video on just tapestry patterns, but I did pin a few things that I think might be really fun for the Galentine's Day, Valentine's Day theme. I really like these cupids and this other minimalist designs. I really, really love pop culture and cartoon themed tapestry patterns. I think they're super fun. And I do think these would make really, really great gifts, or if you just want to add some fun and some color to your space. Next idea is again a little bit general, but it's amigurumi. For this particular theme, I was really drawn towards the one that are fruit themed, like anything with a strawberry on it. I pretty much was like, yes, add to board. Next idea is crochet flowers. These could be both gifts and decor. There's a pattern out there for literally almost any flower you can think of. And again, like, they're super customizable because you can use any yarn color that you want. I think a full bouquet of crochet flowers would be a really beautiful table setting. And I also think giving your friends a bouquet to take home would be a really fun gift to give as well. Next, this box of chocolates that I found is super fun. I think this would be a really cool centerpiece on like your coffee table. And I don't think anybody would expect to open it up and actually see it filled with crochet chocolates as well. So I think it'd be a fun centerpiece, but also I think it'd be a fun and unexpected gift to give as well. My last idea is a surprise plant pot. You can crochet these with just greenery and leaves. I saw these start trending about middle of last year, and I think they're still trending. I also really like the ones that look like they're a flower pot and then you open it and it's the flower trimmed coaster. I think those are really beautiful. And if you have the time to make a blanket, then I've also seen a surprise bouquet blanket that is really beautiful and really, really fun. So yeah, that wraps up all of my crochet ideas for Valentine's Day gifts and decor. If you found this video helpful at all, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, then subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one.